Hello everyone, if you are interested to learn to make an outline in Word, then keep watching. In this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn exactly how to create outline using heading styles, multi-level list, and the navigation pane in MS Word. Or even how to apply heading styles H1, H2 and H3, etc. So first you need to go to the View tab on the top menu bar, and on the left side you will see that there is an outline option. You need to click on that, and here you need to type your main topic. For example, main topic. Hit enter, and after that you need to click on this arrow. You can see that even you can use Shift, Alt and right arrow key to make subheading and give the name of the subheading. For example, introductions. Hit enter, and if you want to create the subheading of introduction, then what you have to again press this arrow key or press the Shift, Alt plus right arrow key and type the subheading of the introduction. Body tags, and hit enter. And if you want to create a final conclusion, then you need to again press this arrow key and make level 4, and that is the summary. And once you create outline in Word, you need to close outline view to go to the main page, and here you can see that the all outlines are added here. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.